Welcome to Think Fit, the Art of Being Lean course, where you learn exactly how to master your mind and to set yourself up for success, how to master nutrition and exactly what you have to eat, and then how to master the way you're working out. My name is Chris, and alongside with my brother Daniel, we're going to lead you throughout this course. Having over 12 years experience in the fitness industry and working with hundreds of people so far, I kind of noticed a pattern why people are not succeeding in their fitness goals. So that's the reason we created this course, and we wanted to make it as simple as possible for anybody to follow and anybody to succeed. Our dream is to make as many people as possible aware of what they're capable of doing. We've designed this course for anyone who is looking to change their lifestyle, to change their bodies, to change their minds. And by the end of this course, you'll be able to set the right mindset and learn the proper way of working out and then eating right in order to be lean. The ideal student for this course is anybody who's looking to change their lifestyle, to change the way they look, to change the way they feel inside themselves and the way they feel about themselves. This is what this course will teach you, step by step, exactly how to send the right mindset all the way to exercise properly. The only entry requirement that you need is the will to succeed. Once you have that, then after, everything else is possible. There's nothing that will stop you from achieving your goal. Feel free to look through the course description to know exactly what we're going to talk about, and then I'll see you on the other side.